A light magnitude 3.2 earthquake hit 23 kilometers, 14 miles, away from Mansilingan, western Visayas, Philippines, in the early afternoon of Monday, May 12, 2025 at 3:59 p.m. local time, GMT+8. The quake had a very shallow depth of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 15 minutes. The earthquake occurred 1 day 1 hours after a magnitude 4.3 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 11, 2025, at 2:48 p.m. local time. Asia, Manila GMT+8. In 92 kilometers, 57 miles, distance to the south. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.